Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Rebecca, and yes, this is really my kitchen where I make all the good scrumptious meals. Today I'm making sesame chicken.
Before the video starts, grab the subscribe button. We are giving away a set of Spurtles. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we will draw a random winner.
It's a very easy meal that can be done in the crock pot for 3 to 4 hours or in the oven for just a couple. It's very simple and very easy. As you can see, I took 1.5 cups of chicken breast and I put that in my pan, cut up into chunks. Now what I'm going to do is in this small bowl, I have my recipe here, I am going to take, I've taken 1/2 cup honey and put into the bowl. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I buy the one that has the littler, the less, salt. I'm sorry. I buy the one with the less salt in it. Then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of dried onions. I keep these on hand because if I run out of fresh, I can always use these. So these are minced onions are always good to have in the house. And a tablespoon of sesame oil. And I only use it for this. So I buy a small bottle because I only use it for this and a couple other recipes. I don't use it very often. And then 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Two teaspoons of cornstarch. And then, I forgot, I'm going to go to the sink and get me 3 tablespoons of water. And there we go. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to mix this all up. That honey and everything needs to be mixed and get it all together. Make sure all the lumps are out of it. The sesame seeds come last when I take it out of the oven. And I will serve this with brown rice. I was doing white rice, but because of diabetes being in this household, he is complete diabetic. I've changed to brown rice. And so when that's all mixed, you just pour it over the chicken. And as you can see, all of that goodness, even the honey was mixed up good in there. And before I put it in the oven, I'm going to kind of stir this around and get all of the chicken coated with it. My oven is preheating on 400 degrees. Like some of the other stuff, I cover it first. And then with foil. And then when it's done, I'll uncover it and leave it in there to make those juices thicken up, especially with the cornstarch in it. So there you go. And it doesn't matter which side, shiny side or dull side. On foil, it makes no difference. So I'm going to stick it in the oven. And I'll see you in about an hour. We'll be back. Hi and welcome back. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes and it is done. So I'm going to pull it out of the oven You'll see my rice is still cooking, but here it is. And the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, that is getting thick. And my chicken is completely done and covered in this wonderful sauce. And it smells great. So what I'm going to do now is take a couple good handfuls of sesame seeds, and these are the white ones, and sprinkle them on there. And I'll mix it up again. And isn't that delicious? And it will be served with our rice once it's done. But there you go. Sesame chicken, done in the oven in an hour and a half. I thank you for joining us. Sunday will be a new episode of Sweet Sunday, where I will do something sweet every Sunday leading up to the holidays. There's going to be pumpkin things and apple things, and we're going to make fudge and cookies as this goes on. So I hope to see you. Remember, Sweet Sunday. Until then, have a good day. Bye.